In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn profile to reflect that you are a student. This process is quite simple and takes just a few minutes. Making this change can help you present your educational status accurately and connect with the right opportunities on LinkedIn. So, let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that by clicking on the Sign In button, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials. That would ordinarily be your email and password. And then click the blue Sign In button to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on the LinkedIn homepage, where you can see your feed and recent activities of your connections. Next, navigate to your profile page. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon, usually located on the top navigation bar. This will take you directly to your profile, where you'll be able to view or make edits to your information. Now that you're on your profile page, focus on the introduction section. Here, you should see an option labeled Edit Intro. Clicking on this will allow you to modify the initial section of your LinkedIn profile, which includes your headline, current position, and other relevant details. This section is crucial because it's one of the first things people see when they visit your profile. To reflect your status as a student, the next step is to click on the headline field. This is where you can craft a concise description of your current role or status. If you're a student, this is an excellent place to indicate your field of study or your academic goals. For example, you might write something like Computer Science Student at XYZ University or Aspiring Marketing Professional. Customizing your headline is not just about stating you're a student. It's also about highlighting what makes you unique. Consider including any specific programs, certifications, or extracurricular activities that set you apart from others. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to save them by clicking on the Save button, often located at the bottom of the editing screen. And there you have it. You've just updated your LinkedIn profile to better represent you as a student. This updated profile can now attract a wider range of connections and opportunities, whether it's for internships, mentorships, or future career prospects. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile current and reflective of your true professional story is essential in today's digital age. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.